We are in Omaha at this parking garage. This is the Brandeis garage, I think. Oh, what the hell? Ah, damn it, they were modernized again? Boo. Oh, that's ridiculous. Look. Look at this. Mid-mod. Okay, well, I want to ride the old one. Let's do that. How about... Ah, phooey. New one it is. Let's look at this. Pretty cool. Woo. This doesn't do anything anymore, so I can fuck with it. Sad that it doesn't work. That was the old Autotronic. No riding that though, because it's modded. What a fun surprise. I always love finding elevators and seeing them modded. I hate original elevators. Old stuff is boring. Oh. Well, now I'm just a food court. There's a food court in this parking garage? Oh, he's trying to run rough. Not rough, but they're forceful for newer mod. Where's the food court? I'm curious what... Oh boy. Oh wow. What the fuck is this? I'm gonna come down here after. It left, didn't it? Yep. Yay, it's back. All right. Watch. I can see out a little bit. Something neat for a view, kind of, sort of. These are quick. God damn it, they were probably really fun when they were on their older controllers. I have a feeling these were probably relay logic before this. What is this? Look out here just for shits and giggles. Whoa, whoa, that's a step down. Interesting. Aww. That would have been so fun. It left again? Seriously, this damn thing parks, doesn't it? Alright, anyway. The Enclave and the Renata. Wow. Let's take a look in here. That's locked. Schindler? I guess Schindler did this mod. We'll go to one. I'm very curious what's in that weird, like, liminal ass tunnel area. 5A. What is 5A? I swear. Shit keeps getting modernized. I keep, like, being like, ooh, I want to go here. And then it's modded. Story of my fucking life. Anyway. There it goes. That's it.